Welcome to Europe in the 14th century, a time of growth, trade, and, unfortunately, great suffering. Our story begins in the year 1347 when a deadly plague, later known as the Black Death, began its devastating journey across the continent. The plague didn't just appear out of nowhere. It traveled along trade routes from Asia to Europe. Merchants, ships, and even rats carried infected fleas, which were the true culprits behind this horror. Imagine being a sailor on a trading ship, returning home from the east. You start noticing strange symptoms among your crew: fever, chills, and painful swellings called buboes. The disease spread quickly, and panic set in. By 1348, the Black Death reached England, France, and beyond. Towns and villages fell into chaos. People believed the plague was a punishment from God. Some turned to prayer, while others engaged in wild parties, thinking they could escape fate. But the Black Death was relentless. It killed indiscriminately, rich and poor, young and old. In just 4 years, it claimed the lives of an estimated 25 million people in Europe, about 1/3 of the population. As bodies piled up, there weren't enough people left to bury them. Some villagers dug mass graves, while others simply abandoned their homes. The landscape of Europe changed forever. Yet, in the midst of this horror, a new social order began to emerge. With so many dead, labor became scarce. The surviving workers demanded better wages and conditions. This shift in power laid the groundwork for the end of feudalism. The Black Death, while tragic, ignited change in European society, leading to the Renaissance, a rebirth of art, science, and culture. The aftermath of the plague brought new ideas and ways of thinking. People began to question the status quo, seeking knowledge and understanding rather than just accepting suffering as divine will. The Black Death was a tragedy that forever altered the course of history. It was a lesson in resilience, forcing humanity to adapt and evolve.